WaveX PLVR Cleaner is a super advanced cleaner that effectively cleans and sanitizes the vehicle's plastic, leather, vinyl and rubber components. It consists of a special antimicrobial formula that prevents the buildup of bacteria on the aforementioned components of your vehicle. This ready-to-use formula effortlessly lifts dirt, oil and stains to restore your vehicle's components to its former clean state. What's more is the fact that using the WaveX PLVR Cleaner will help maintain the supple fresh texture of your vehicle's interior components. Simply spray the solution, agitate it with a detailing brush and wipe it using the WaveX Microfiber cloth. For an even more effective cleaning action, it is recommended that you use the WaveX Premium Interior Detailing Brush along with the PLVR Cleaner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such informative videos and buy the WaveX PLVR Cleaner from our website or our Amazon store. Links in the description box below.